Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. So today is gonna be reacting to a travel film of my fellow creator. He's one of my friend and it's an honor to be featured of one of his amazing segment of his YouTube channel. It's #What's Your Story by Martin Tabanag. So before I watch this, go check out his channel, Martin Tabanag, Martin Tabanag, and then you'll get to see a lot of beautiful contents, videos, travel videos, films, and so on and so forth. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit like and share this video. Okay, let's watch the video.
The future I want to see in travel vlogging is that we get to promote a place and then promote also responsible tourism, simple principles of business race.
Oh, easy.
Hi, I'm CJ Estrada. I'm 23 years old and I'm from Iligan City. I'm basing in Cebu City right now and I'm a vlogger. I started as an Instagrammer, then I switched to vlogging, then I just recently went to vlogging like a year ago because I just wanted to create videos and then record memories, especially my travels, events, whatever. So this part of the trail is Luby and English potato. Balik. Ever since I started being a content creator or that I was an Instagrammer, I am already in a travel niche because when I was in college, I was inside these four corners of my room and then I don't really go out, I don't really venture out. It's just that this invite from my college friend that we went to a mountain in Cebu, which is Mount Capayas, then that triggered me, or that switched the fire of my adventurous soul. From that moment, my trek began. It went from once a month until it became once a week.
Whoa, drone footage is dope, man.
I think my inspiration is that my travels, my memories, recording them and then sharing it to people, especially with the vibes, the experience, and then the happiness and the like.
May mga tao na mga likod. Oh.
There was also a challenge for me when I was still vlogging using my phone. There's this stigma that mobile vlogging is not really in or not really good or the content is not good. But I think I proved that mobile vlogging is not something to be underestimated. Let's see. So I'm here at the far away Sure Peak and love. I think the advantage is you get to explore more about the travel. In my case, I mostly travel within Cebu City or in the Philippines, so I get to explore more spots in Cebu which I didn't know and even other people know. And I also get to explore new things, not only my surroundings but also in myself. Hey guys, I'm now here at Alicia Bohol. I think there's a lot of travels that I could always remember, but there's this one travel that I would not forget, where it's in Bohol, where I haven't really vlogged the journey because my stomach ached. It was raining, the weather is cold, my stomach is not good, and then my sweat is really cold, and I forgot my cap, and there's a lot of struggles on that trip, and we had it only for a day. And that's one of my most glorious, most unforgettable moments for adventure travel.
Chronicles. Oh!
I usually don't prepare, actually, honestly, I don't usually prepare, but for example, with my treks, I only pack my things like 30 minutes or an hour before.
Ibutang yun
I
lagi.
always include my arm sleeves, my cap, water. Sometimes I bring sweets because I'm practicing that I won't starve while trekking because it's heavy. And then my camera, my microphone, my power bank.
Struggle is real. Huy. Shit, ni hang.
presenting the travel itself, the environment or the surroundings, and then the experience. Because sometimes you are very overwhelmed with the travel itself because of the fun, because of how enjoyable it is. But remember, if you're vlogging, you are sharing content to the people, to the public, and then people will criticize or people will get information from it. It's just that take it into consideration that you don't only get to share what you feel or what you thought, but you also get to share the environment itself or the place itself. That's why I always include videos, like tips on how to get here or to get there. And also one big challenge for vlogging, not only specifically in vlogging but travel content creation, is that when you get to vlog or create content with a specific place that is not well known, and then it gets trending in the online world, and you know most people don't really mind of responsible tourism crashes all, and then you sometimes feel the guilt because your content drove a lot of people. It's like a win-win situation. It's good because you give income to attract people, but the bad side of it is that the people doesn't know how to take care of it. Like for example, Zero Flower Farm, like 10,000 roses. Sometimes
always remember responsible tourism, guys.
The LGU or the people who are taking care
Hashtag
of the place,
leave no trace.
especially if it's free, people will flock. So that's why there's sometimes that
the drone footage is dope.
Well, I mean,
running and running.
It to be ruined. But it's not that I'm being selfish. I don't want to share it, but let's just keep in mind the hashtag responsible tourism and leave no trace.
Hashtag
it's okay,
responsible tourism. Hashtag leave no trace.
Well, and then we will take care also of the environment.
Wow.
What is up, guys? I hope you like this story. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, leave some comments below, let me know what you guys think. Huge thanks to CJ Estrada for inspiring us with this wonderful story. Hope you guys learned a lot from this, especially being a responsible tourist and a traveler, not throwing your trash anywhere and keeping our nature clean and green. And if you guys want to see more of CJ's vlogs, I put a link down in the description down below.
Those
guys, please follow me on my Instagram. I post a lot of photos there, travel photos. And on my IG stories, I put a lot of behind the scenes of how I made this stuff, or where I am, some updates. And also, yeah, ask me some questions and leave me some feedbacks. I'll take time to read those and answer them, guys. And don't forget to check out my Patreon page and support me. So
Support me.
Continue this passion project. And guys, don't forget to check out my merch, my What's Your Story journal. Yeah, I write all my interviews here, my questions, those travel plans, and all my drawings. And all those just random stuff. If you want to order, you can message me on my Facebook page or in my Instagram. So yeah, grab one now. And if you guys reach this part of the video, I'm going to show you guys some, behind the scenes of CJ Estrada's interview. I hope you like this. And to reach this part, you gotta enjoy this. Watch this, guys.
Have you ever had a girlfriend? If not, why and when?
I had before when I was in college and high school, but it was just for, I think the longest was 2 months. The longest was 8 months, but we broke up because she went away. I don't know where she is right now. If you're watching this.
Ligid pa more.
Yeah, I hope you guys like that. And yeah, if you want to watch more of this,
Mau kacau mo gito gapil.
more stuff right over here. And don't forget to subscribe, so I'll make a lot more videos coming soon for you guys. So check them out and see you on the next video. Show the boys.
Chill, boys. So, yeah. Nihang. Yeah. Oh my god. By the way, that What's Your Story film is so amazing. The cinematics, the drone stuff, the slow motion. Ito man. Ikaw na gid, Martin. Thank you very much for choosing me and featuring me in your What's Your Story video. And I'm so honored. I'm so honored. English kay. Ito kay mo English kay Mike English Martin. Oh my god. Anyway, so I hope you guys actually watch the full video at Martin's channel. I'm gonna put the link on the description box below. I hope you learned something from my story being shared to Martin's channel. Traveling, going to spots is okay. It's fine and it's fun, but let us not forget and let us be mindful of our trashes. Do not leave it anywhere. Bring it and throw it in a proper trash can. Be a responsible tourist. Always remember hashtag leave no trace. Take nothing but footprints. Take nothing but footprints. Kill nothing but time. Share peace and love. Bye.